Hi amigas, let me show you how to make this lemon cake. So we're going to start off with 3 room temperature eggs. Crack them eggs, break them huevos. Yes, okay. Now we're going to add our whisk attachment to our mixer. You can use this with a hand mixer or a hand whisk. Your hands are going to get tired, but it'll give you practice to the hand jobs. All right, now we're going to add 1/3 cup of melted butter. The butter does not need to be hot. Make sure it's just warm so it doesn't cook your eggs. All right, now we're gonna add in 1 cup of whole milk slowly. Make sure those eggs are still getting fluffy. All right, now for the secret ingredient, the Jello pudding, the lemon flavored Jello pudding, and our lemon box cake. So the butter and the milk were replacements for the oil and water, so that way it tastes more homemade. And now you're going to whisk it. Make sure you stir first because I've had a little blow up before, okay? Where the flour just blows up in your face and you're like, what happened? ¿Qué pasó? All right, there we go. And now you're going to spray the bottom of your pan. Get your parchment paper. Oh, make sure to mix that for 2 minutes, okay? Put a timer on, mix it for 2 minutes. It's going to make it super fluffy cake. It makes it spongy. All right, now we're gonna, don't overfill, but I was like feeling a little adventurous. I knew I was gonna make this into a tart, more of a thin layers of cake. So I needed to cut this into 3 layers. So I was like feeling adventurous. I filled it up. Almost had an accident in the oven, but didn't. So, but just give it room to rise or grow. Give it room to grow. There you go. Pound it. I don't know what that does, but I see bakers do it all the time. Put it in a 350-degree preheated oven. Let it bake for 28 to 30 minutes. I ended up having to leave it for a few extra minutes. Now that it's out of the oven, I didn't show you guys that I checked it, but my fork came out clean. And we're going to let it sit on that rack and get down to room temperature. We've passed a few hours. Now we're going to make our frosting. Our frosting, we're going to get some unflavored gelatin and melt it into some hot water. Let that water get room temperature. Give it some time to get down to room temperature. Now we're going to grab a packet of instant pudding, cheesecake flavor. We're going to add it into our mixer. We're going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Perfect. Now we're going to use our whisk attachment and we're going to slowly add in 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and bring those up to a fluff. While those are mixing, start adding in your melted room temperature gelatin, 1 spoon at a time. That's going to add stability, especially in the hot winter weather. Okay, in the hot summer weather, your whipped cream frosting can deflate and become water again. So this is going to stabilize it and make it stay fluffy without dropping. Okay, you can use marshmallows for this, gelatin, even the pudding helps a little, but adding that gelatin really keeps it longer. All right, put it aside. Now we're going to cut the top of our cake. I wasn't recording, I was so mad, but I was leveling out the top of the cake. And now you're going to flip it over, flip it and reverse it. And now we're going to peel the parchment paper. All right, cut out a nice thin layer of the cake. We're going to cut out 3 layers. Honestly, you could have done 4, but I don't have the tool to measure the slices. So I had to do it by atinando. I'm trying to figure it out. I cut too much, you could see there, but I ended up leveling it out. So now we're going to grab some lemon cream filling for pies, cakes, and desserts. This was made by Walmart. All right. Or me getting it at Walmart. Okay. Now we're going to do that every layer. Nice thick layer of the lemon custard. So yummy. You could make your own lemon custard, but why when you can just get it out of a can? Like, it tastes delicious either way. This is like semi-homemade. It's like mas pa allá que pa acá, you know? All right, now we're going to add that 3rd layer. I was so dumb. I should have put that one on the bottom, but I put it on the top, which was the dumbest decision. And I should have also frozen my cake, but I also didn't do that. So double dumb decision, triple dumb decision, triple dicker. All right, so here I am slowly frosting my cake so I don't break it in half. I'm actually better at frosting when the cake's frozen, so please do not judge my frosting skills. But I wanted the cake to look kind of rustic.
The one that was kind of flat.
And homemade, because I feel like homemade cakes just hit different, right? Like when I go to a party and I see somebody made something, I'd rather try that than like the store-bought stuff. All right, now we're going to put a little dollop of the lemon in the center. Honestly, I was going to use cookie crumble, but I decided to use the cake crumble, and I wish I would have used cookie because I wanted that crunch. All right, now we're slicing up some strawberry fans. We're going to slice them as low as we can go without going all the way through to make the little fans. We're going to put some fresh blueberries. Here I am. Yum. Rosalie, you're a great baker. I wouldn't hire you, but I would definitely eat your cake. Okay, yeah, Rosalie. We see your decoration skills are not decoration skills.
And we're going to just put blueberries.
I wish I would have put the blueberries directly on the frosting because the blueberries were kind of rolling around. Honestly, the cake was delicious. At the end of the day, that's all that matters. I was trying to make it look cute, but I feel like it looked like
more frosting, and we could have
a hoarder cake. Capital whore. Dirt. Okay, me laughing at myself. Because if you don't laugh at yourself, then who else is going to laugh at you? The internet? Well, I did it first, so I win. Tic-tac-toe, 3 to row. Okay, there you go. There's my beautiful cake. My son comes and he's like, can I have a slice? Can I have a slice? Can I have a slice? And I'm like, sure, let me cut it out, but I have to make it look pretty because pretty food just tastes better. Is that true or no?
Make sure you make it photos.
Yeah? Answer in the comments. All right, here we go. Let me know in the comments, would you make this cake and take it to like a family gathering, like a barbecue or a family reunion or a wedding? I don't know where you take cakes to, but there. All right, let me try it. I liked it. It was so good. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow or later. Bye.